All right. What's going on, everyone? We are live. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hopefully, you're having a great day. Had a great morning, great time with the family, doing whatever it is that you're doing. And yes, welcome to the Unconventional Mindset. It is Monday, Christmas morning. Actually, it's Christmas afternoon. What am I talking about? It's like 2:30 here. So I'm able to sneak away from the family stuff just for a little bit here. And we are getting very, very close to launching Piixel Pieces, which is our Webflow component and template library, which we want to launch because here we are at the Unconventional Mindset. And our goal is to create a company and or a series of companies or whatever and make us $1 million every single year. That's what we're working towards. So without further ado, let's just dive in and see where we are at. And where did we leave off last? So last it was Friday. See, today's Monday, so today's Friday. No, we left off today's Monday. So last time was Friday. So we left off where I think today's Monday, right? Yeah, today's Monday. So we left off, I believe, Friday, where we were preparing the different components for. Yeah, we were bringing in the components into Webflow and basically into this project, I should say, because it was from one flow to another one. Basically what I'll say is that we're done. So all of the components that I initially had built are in here. So if we go into our library here, let me zoom in here a little bit. So this is the actual components, and there's 21 of them in this products here. So products, we have our components. So we have an accordion, we have 5 navigation items, we have our team item, footer, blog, subscribe, pricing, all the way down to hero, and there's 4 of them. So if we actually go into the dashboard here, let's just refresh here. So we have 4 of 21 components. This is when you're just viewing, this is just the dashboard, and we should have something here that showcases that we're actually on this dashboard button here. So I should find a way to highlight that. But then when you click all here, we can see all the different components. And you might be noticing a couple things. Well, one main thing is that there's no images. So we need to get the actual images of each of these components. But here they all are. So we're all in here. And of course, if you want to start filtering, you certainly can here on the footer. And if we go to view, we can view, this is the footer. Pretty simple and straightforward. And yeah, we go in the minimal footer, we can view that one. And this footer basic, we can view that. And then here's that footer. So yeah, so there might be a few things that we might want to clean up here. So like the idea is, what do we need to do before we launch? So obviously we need to have the final images. And I think what we want to do is when we go live with this, where people can go onto Piixel Pieces and actually kind of join, I think what we're going to do is probably have no templates and just say templates are coming soon. I think that'll make the most sense. Okay, so if we look at the code here, there's one thing that hasn't been done that I haven't updated. Actually, we can go into the collection and we go into our components here. If we look here, the code here, I haven't got all the JSON codes for each of these components. Now, in order to do that, it's pretty simple. Well, if we just go to this one, this is the hero with background video. So if we go to that page, so it's a hero with background. This is hero with background image. No, we want the hero with the background video. We go here. So we're basically going to go here and we are going to copy this and go into the clipboard inspector, and then we paste. And then we have the code right here. And then we're going to copy that. And then when we go back to the collection, components, and then this was hero with background video, and then we paste it in here and then save. that's all we need to do. We need to do that for all these components. And actually what I can do here is we can just even see this. So you're on this hero thing, and if you go copy component, and if we go to this cut and paste, if I go paste here, there's nothing here because it's an empty, just a JSON string. But if we publish this, all right, so that was published, and let's just give this a refresh. So this shows you the hero section here, which is cool. And then we hit copy, and then we go here to our cut and paste and just paste, and there we go, right? And remove some classes, whatever, that's fine. So yeah, so that's all we need to do to get all the components working. And the reason why this is a little bit annoying is that if I'm ever here on this page and I'm updating the component here, then I have to update the JSON code, which is really annoying. And it would be nice if this was automated. I'm sure we'll get to the point where it is automated. But if I'm on here and I'm working on this navigation, I'm like, oh, you know, I want to change this little thing or whatever, in order to update it on here. Yeah, you know, that's on the navigation. And when this copy button happens, we need to update the actual JSON code right in here. So that's the only thing that really sucks. So, and that's why I'm saving that till last. It's only going to take like 30 seconds per component, and there's only 21 here at the start. So yeah, I'll probably leave that. I don't know if I'll leave that till tonight or yeah, but I definitely want to, I think get this ready to go live tomorrow, next to getting the images ready. Okay, so I think what we'll do is we are going to look at the templates, and let's actually look at the template page. And I think what I want to do here is we have this whole section here, and I think what we're going to do, I think section template list, I think we'll hide it for right now. And I think what we're gonna put is just like a coming soon. So let's go right here, and we'll just call this section coming soon. And then we're going to put, let's just put, wow, we need to wrap it around in some padding and containers. So we're going to do padding global, of course. Actually, let me clear some styles here. We got a bunch of weird ones. All right, so where am I? Component list, right? That's not what we want. Ah, we're in coming soon. And then we want our container medium, and padding section, maybe medium for this one. Not sure. Might not even need one for this. So we're just going to, whoops, what did I do? I wanted e-text. Okay, we're gonna say, what are we gonna say? Actually, I want a container small. Templates are coming very soon to Piixel Pieces. What can I say? templates are coming in January 2024. Templates coming to Piixel Pieces in January 2024. How about that? I think that works nicely. Super simple. Coming soon. I don't know, title. Just align this in the middle. And we are going to make this pretty big. And yeah, purple is good. Maybe even something more simple. Is bold. And templates coming. Oh, that looks ugly. This looks hideously ugly. Or actually, we make this one smaller. Like this, right? Kind of like a coming soon to a theater near you or something like that, right? Yeah, 1.75. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay, we'll have to figure out about testimonials as well too. We'll probably just have to hide them for now on basically every page. Okay. Okay. So that's fine. So that's on the template page. And then we need something when you're logged in. All right, so here's where app product count. So I think we just need to hide this. And then we're going to go. We're just going to call this the same thing. App content. And then we're going to go text. Do we need? Does this not have a like any padding associated with it at all? It should. App content should have this. Oh, maybe if I would have actually spelt it right. There we go. Right. So let's hide you. Templates will be coming very soon, starting in January 2024. Actually, let's put that in a, oops. Let's put this in a paragraph, actually. Because let's get another one here. If you have any suggestions or requests for what types of templates you would like us to offer, please send me an email at piixel.ca. And then we're going to link this. It's going to be email request for template. Okay. So that's good. And then what we can do here, I think we literally, again, need to go to templates. And go this one here. And what is, oh, okay, go back. Aside submenu. And then we're just going to need to hide this. And submenu count, where did that come from? So I think it's actually counting. Actually, where is that? Where is this number coming from? Get from statistics. All right, that's going from statistics. So let's go into that collection, statistics, number of templates. And right now it is 0. So if we go back here, templates will be 0. Okay. Coming to Piixel. Very soon, starting in January 2024. Okay. What else do we need? Okay, we need to copy the code. We need to have, like I said, we need to have this thing actually here when it's current, right? When we're actually on the current page. So let's actually go to the dashboard. And I think basically oh, I haven't even linked it yet. Okay, so we need to do that. Let's link to the dashboard. And now it should be, oh, come on. Now there should be a current. Yes. Okay. So now when it's current, we are going to, I guess we're going to change some colors here. But what's actually going to be changing? Side menu current. Okay. This drop down color has this blue and this has this black text. So that's set, unfortunately. What if I go here? Yeah, unfortunately, there's not much that we can do because we're setting these colors on here as opposed to on this actual link. So what can we do which would look nice when you're actually on the dashboard? So when you're on here, you know, you're on the dashboard, which isn't clickable. Let's go to the dashboard, which is basically just home. Let's go dashboard. So we need to showcase this dashboard here in a way that's like, hey, you're on the dashboard. Right? Because if you're on all, I think it gets underlined. I think maybe we can just underline it. Oh, where am I going? So aside menu current. What does that actually look like in the code? I think we're going to have to do just a little bit of custom code here. Aside menu. I think it's just a current. What is, okay. So we have some custom code here already. Ooh, it has a W current. So does that, is that here as well? Oh, I'm not on the dashboard. Get me onto the dashboard, please. With embed, a side menu item. Oh, I don't have the code published, so that's probably why it's not there. Okay, but so text decoration underline. Oh, right. So that is, yes, I already kind of have some stuff associated with this. Okay, so let's go dot aside underscore sub menu. Oh, actually, it's not even that. It's a side menu item dot with current, and then we want to target the aside underscore drop down icon. Let's just say, let's just do something here just to make sure that it's working. And then we are going to duplicate this. And this is going to be the aside drop down text. And yeah, whatever, we'll just keep it red now. Save and close. Okay, look at that. So it's working. Don't even have to publish it. So instead of making it red, I think we should probably make it blue. Let's get our colors here. Dark blue, because it's kind of selected. And oh no, we still want to stay here. We're just going back here, going into the code. So that'll be the color. If we save it, we can see. And maybe, should we underline the text Let's try. Should we go with our accent color for the icon? That's not bad, but I don't like the underline. I don't like the underline at all. And I don't think I like the blue either. I mean, what if it was just black? You know, what about the weight of this text? Maybe it doesn't have to be bold. That's actually, that might not be so bad. And then when we're on the actual dashboard, code, then we can bold it here. If I could spell correctly. Yeah. There we go. So this one here, I have it bolded. I don't know why. I don't think it should. Because once it's selected, then I think it'll get bolded. Okay, let's go back here to our dashboard. So now we're on the dashboard. You can see that it's bolded, and if we go to all here, yeah, then that'll be bolded, and that'll go back to normal. We don't have anything for this, but that's okay. I'm not going to worry too much about that. It's just happens to be how this thing was built. So good. So right, what else do we need? Do we need anything else? So if we go into templates, it should say templates coming January 2024. And I actually want to maybe, if we can highlight that a little bit better. Let's go back to templates. I think we can just I think we could just go background color white. Does that help it stick out a little bit better? Yeah, let's go with that. And then of course, when we're on this templates page, it says that it's coming soon. Okay. Excellent. Okay. So I think we're good. I think what we'll do, I mean, how much do I need to review? We got our hero background. Hero with background image. So this is a hero section, obviously, and then you have the image here, which goes this is cutting off this full screen of a little bit. But is the background, hang on, let's go look at that page for a second. Hero section. The background wrapper, where's the image? I think the background image should be in this primary no. It should be here in the background wrapper, which it is. And the image is positioned center to cover. Okay, perfect. So I think I'm going to make one final pass on all the components just to make sure everything is okay. You know, we got, I guess if we go here, where's the, I mean, we got our contact page. We can view it. I mean, everything's looking pretty good. You can send message things that are required. We got the team page. Call to action. Welcome to, it's just a simple basic call to action. I mean, hopefully it's pretty clear in terms of, you know, I guess this top part is where you actually have details on the actual component, and then here in white is just the actual component itself. A product review component. A testimonial. Everything's kind of lined up nicely. Yeah. Okay, so steps that we need to do. Actually, let's go into Asana real quick just to see what we wrote down. We want to do, where's our project? Launch Piixel Pieces. All right. So things that we need to do. So add copy to clipboard functionality. So that's done. Get JSON for each component. So we already have that. So we know what to do. So yeah. So that is due date is going to be, put that tomorrow. Oh, we need to get the colors. Okay, right. This domain ready for launch. That's going to be modified to tomorrow. We need to get each image for each component right. Design, and we need an image for the application as well. We'll put that for tomorrow. Invest software, right? Components. Review the dropdown. Yeah, I got to review the icons. Let's leave that there. And these are just other things that aren't critical for launching. So it's really all this stuff. This here is not going to be till a little while. And I have January 1st written because that's when we're going to be open for actual business, when we're going to like be able to collect money or whatever from people, or we're going to want to open up for that. I'm not sure when that's going to be, because I'm probably going to want to have templates ready to go. Yeah. So design images for each component. Yeah. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to review tonight, this evening, whatever. I'm going to review all the components and get all the code copied and pasted. That's going to be ready to go. And then I'm going to take screenshots or images, probably just screenshots for now, just keep it super simple, of each component. So that way, when we go on to the component page and see this, you're going to see actual images of the components, not just these blank pages. And then tomorrow, we're going to just modify the member stack so that when people join, they don't have to pay. So it's just going to be like a free one for now. And then we'll worry about like the actual payments and whatever when we actually have people to be able to pay. We'll worry about that later. So yeah, and then we just have to get the homepage image, which is going to be just a copy kind of this thing. And then we're going to have that ready to go. And like, that's it. That's what we're going to do. And everything else. Yeah, everything else can wait. We just really need to get those images in place, ready for launching this thing. And I wonder, even for the images for the about page, if we go back to the about page, I wonder if what I can do is even just have the image that I use, like for this. Let me just have a quick look. I think YouTube cover. Okay, that's not quite it. I just need to get the actual. One second. So where is that image? Sorry, I'm just trying to find an image here for this background. And that's probably the last thing we'll need to do, at least for this page, to have it ready. That's assets. Working, marketing. No. To videos. Okay. Is it in photography? Do have some. Maybe this one. Let's try this one. Okay, images. Oh, background images. Let's go back to our images. Background images. Let's throw that image in here. Put like an alt code. And now let's replace this with this. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, everything can't. Oh, right, because it needed to be a light color, which is what I was going to do. Oh, and you guys can't see what I'm doing. Oh, shoot, and I don't want to make another header just for this. To make it light. Dang it. I think I might not have a choice. Oh, then we're going to have to go into all of these things. Because all these links have their own color. Ugh. Well, let's try. If we can do this quick enough. No, it's not copying the right thing. Let's go. Let's copy this one. And then delete out of there. There we go. So what we're going to do, it's very simple. We're just going to make this is white. And the color is going to be white. Is white. Is white. And is white. Okay, we got our logo. And we have the SVG. And we'll make that white as well. Oh, now we have to do the portal. Ah, this is so stupid. I don't like this. I don't... Well, we got to do it. We don't have a choice. Same thing here. Control Alt G. Let's just wrap this up in another. And then we'll copy this. And again, take this out. Delete. So we have another user portal. And is white here. And then here is also is white. Okay. All that just to get an about page. And there's a few things here that look like they don't have this right stuff set up. And what is that missing? Let's go here for a second. All right, this whole thing is data MS content members. Right, you can only see that if you're a member. Let's paste that. Let's go back to about page. Basically, yeah, this whole thing. Right, doesn't have the attribute. So it is data MS content equals members. Right, so if you're not a member, that stuff won't be seen. Perfect. But if we are a member, we go to about, everything's all messed up in terms of alignment. And why is it messed up? Probably because it needs to be in Portal, I think. Last check, because I think there's no Portal user, so I need this div or this class. Portal user, okay. And there we go. Okay, that's the last thing. Okay, we're gonna have to redo all of this stuff, which will be easy. We'll just put in a new header once we fix this image. This is just our placeholder image for now. You know, not the best image, but whatever. I think it'll work. Oh shoot, what did I do to here? Why is this? Oh, I didn't, right. About. There we go. I think I just made that white, which I don't want to. I need to actually put is white. Make it white. So refresh that. Oh, it's about. But we go to blog and any other page. We're good. Log in. All right. So that's all good. Okay. So what I'm going to do, like I said, recap here real quick. Number one, review all the components and then copy and paste the JSON code into the collection, into the database. Number two, get images of each of the collection items and add them to the application. Number three, tomorrow we launch. So this isn't a launch where we're going to be announcing it to the world and then we're going to have people pay. It's going to be a soft launch where you can come in, you can join for free, and it's really like testing. So it's really going to be like a beta launch, I guess you can say. Like, come in, check us out, give us a demo, and give us your feedback. Let us know what you think. So we might want to update the text accordingly, but we'll see about that tomorrow, whether that makes sense or not. Okay, so it's been about 50 minutes, so I think that's going to be it for today. I need to get back to spending a little bit of time with the family here today. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Hope you had a great Christmas, as I said earlier, and or at the start of this video. So as always, thank you so much for watching and joining, and super pumped. This is going to be like an awesome end of 2023 and a wicked start to 2024 with unleashing this new component and template library to the world. Looking forward to seeing how it's going to do and how it's going to perform. And yeah, I'll leave it there. Thanks again, and have a good one, and we'll see you tomorrow.